Unity and diversity began with a question. What if we could see humanity the way light sees color? Not as separate pieces, but as one spectrum flowing into itself. We live in a world where labels often divide us. Black, white, brown, Muslim, Christian, Jewish, Hindu, straight, gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender, fat, thin, disabled, neurodivergent, tall or short, rich or poor. Words meant to describe, yet too often used to separate. But before anything else, we are human. We love, hope, grieve, dream. We carry stories, we seek belonging, we want to be seen. Our differences are real and meaningful, but they do not need to pull us apart. They are colors in the same spectrum. Unity and diversity was created to show that truth in a way anyone can feel. When you join, you select a color and a word that represents you. Your identity, your culture, your emotion, or simply your presence. That single choice becomes a digital tile. Then comes the spark. Using Wolfram generative algorithms, each tile transforms into a unique pattern that exists nowhere else. Some swirl like ink, others form waves, geometry, soft gradients, or fractal blooms. Every tile becomes a visual fingerprint of the person behind it. All of these tiles then come together to form a living world made entirely of people. Instead of continents and borders, you see identity, culture, thought, and experience woven together. You can zoom in and appreciate every individual pattern. You can zoom out and watch thousands of differences blend into something breathtaking. The globe can shift into new shapes like a heart or a spiral, reminding us that when we unite, we create new meaning beyond what any one of us could form alone. As more people add their color, the world becomes richer. Patterns sit beside patterns that would never meet in real life. A shade linked to another across oceans, a stranger's tile glowing beside your own. It shows that uniqueness is not isolation. It is connection waiting to be seen. It exists to remind us that humanity is not beautiful despite difference, but because of it. The future becomes kinder when every identity is given room to shine. Black beside white, queer beside straight, Muslim beside Jewish. Every belief, every body, every background belonging equally. This mosaic asks you to imagine a world where no one is pushed out for being different. A world where every shade is needed. A world where you matter. Welcome to the human spectrum. Add your color. Make the world brighter.